pants. Look at that. The Dainese new Air Drake something textile pants. I'll put it right here, but yeah, these are the pants I just got. I've been loving them so far. Holy shit. Woo! Look at them go. Yeah, really nice pants. The padding in the knee goes all the way down to like the ankle, shin area. I have my jacket on that zipper that goes all the way around the pants. Feels nice. I have the armor tucked into my boot, so everything feels nice and stable, and it feels amazing. And I love the textile feel. I feel more protected in these because it also has foam hip armor. It's not the best hip armor, but at least it's something. All right, guys, I just got out of the store and I'm sitting at this beautiful red light. I opened up these little mesh pockets and holy shit, you do get so much airflow on these. It is very, very nice. So basically I got these pants on sale from like $350, $360 for a $250 or $260. I cannot remember the exact price, but yeah, I got them. Holy shit, look at all those cars behind us. Woo! We got a slow one up in front of us, so I think that's why. If it were me, I'd be going a little bit faster than this, but here I am. I think the best part about these is that it matches with the jacket, so I can zip the pants with the jacket. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you can actually take that to the track. It technically creates a one piece. I can't remember if that's correct or not, but if it is, nice. What is that? Someone just left garbage in the road? Come on, man. All right, this is day 2 of my new pants. Yeah, day 1 kind of ended abruptly, so I'm back out here and I'm about, oh, look, it's a sand bee. I'm about to hit the highway. See how this airflow on this mesh really is. That guy just walked out in the middle of the road. He did not give 2 fucks about the bike. Hey, you give no fucks walking out. I'm just not gonna give a fuck either. I'm just gonna fucking go right past him. I've been wanting to watch a movie lately, but I do not know what movie I should watch. My friend told me he watched Meg 2, and I don't know. All right, now we're gonna hit the highway legitimately. What the fuck? Woo! It's hot as balls. Go to McDonald's and get a cup of Sprite. That'll cool me down. I'm gonna jump back on the highway and hopefully no one's riding on the wrong side of the road. Oh my God. I don't think I'd be able to compete with that. I don't even know what the hell that was. It was a GSXR, that's all I could tell. And it looked like it was older. It had a really boxy back tail area. Now that I'm facing the wind, I can really feel that airflow. Holy crap. The wind goes from these pockets right here. It goes down my leg, up my thigh. I can really feel the wind hitting right now. That is awesome. Hell yeah. I have a fucking baseball cap back there on my passenger seat. The pillion seat. Little hold on thing, that's where I have it on. I learned that trick from Adobo Moto. You put the brim of the hat in that little strap and it stays there no matter what. I had to push that thing in because I like wearing hats, and whenever I take my helmet off I have pretty shit hair, so hey, there we go. Man, another red light. This sucks. Well, I'm here, so make the most out of it, am I right? Oh man, this sucks. Oh, green, never mind. It's awesome. Woo! Whatever anyone says about the bike that I have, the Ninja 400, just in general, it might sound like a lawnmower, it might be a 2-cylinder, but it's faster than like 80% of the cars on the road, maybe 90% of the cars on the road. I got a fucking screaming lawnmower that goes faster than a lot of cars on the road. I think that's pretty cool. Obviously, you can upgrade bikes, do all that stuff, and eventually I will. I'm not going to say goodbye to this bike though, because I am going to most likely pay it off, which that's like the third, no, that's like the first finger I had today. I really got to stop calling it fingers. I don't think I should say that anymore. I think I should just call it a wave. That's my thing though. I call it fingers. I'm gonna keep on riding, be safe, and enjoy your life, guys. I'm posting a lot of short clips on my YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, so if you want to go and see what those are like, description down below. I'm out. I'll see you guys later.